Hi, my name is Balkis. I'm a student of MIT Sydney, and today I want to talk about two Linux monitoring tools, the Lsof command and the atop command. The Lsof command is used by system administrator to find out the files that are opened by various processes, while the atop command is more of like an interactive monitoring tool used to view the load on the Linux system. It shows the features of the most critical hardware resources on the system level and process level. That is the CPU, the memory disks, and the network. Operating system I will be using to perform this task today is the Kali Linux operating system. The first thing I would do is to open the terminal where I would be performing the task. And the first command I'm going to try today is the lsof command that is used by the system administrator to view all the files that are opened. After typing the lsof command, it's going to show a long list of outputs that has different file descriptors and types of the files that are opened. For example, the file of the file descriptor MEM, it means memory. OR, it means the file has only read access. W means it has just write access. Then there is U, which means it has both read and write access. There's TXT for text file, CWD for current working directory, and also for the type of files and its identification. CHR means it is character special file, and there's dir, which means directory. Reg means it is a regular file, and so on. The other tasks that can be performed using the lsof command, for example, to view the process opened in a specific file, you type lsof space slash var. So type lsof slash var slash log slash system log. So this is the process that is opened on this file at this time, on the system log file. This is the process that is there, and it shows the root, the user, that is the root, and it only has the write access, and it is a regular file as well. Another task that can be performed using lsof is to check all the network connection by typing lsof space minus I and enter. Yeah, we have this current device has only one network connection. That is why it has only one output here, and it shows the type of the network connection, that is an IPv4 connection. There are also other ways that we can use lsof, for example, to show the to list user specific open files, to show if it is an IPv4 or an IPv6 file, and to show list of TCP connections, and so on. The other type of command we'll also be trying today is the atop command. The atop command shows details of the CPU, the memory, the disks, network management, and it shows us the load that is on this memory. So the first thing we have to do by using the atop command is to install the atop on our Kali Linux. So we do so by typing sudo apt dash get install atop, enter. So we'll wait for it while it gets the atop installed on the Kali Linux software. Now that I have the atop installed on my Kali Linux, so I have to type to execute the command, I have to type sudo atop. So it's going to bring out a lot of information, which divides into two parts: the system level. The upper part is the system level, and the lower part is the um, process level. And here, the system level consists of PRC, which contains the total CPU time consumed in the system mode, the user mode, and the total process present at the moment, the total number of zombie present at the moment, the zombie, and also the time of the process that ended during this interval. That is 4 process ended. It's just changing. Then we have also the CPU. It shows the percentage of the time spent. For example, at the system mode we have 1%, and the user we have their mode we have 2%. The IRQ mode 0%. That means interrupt handling. That's for interrupt handling. Then this idle mode, that is when it is on use, 97%, 0% for wait, and so on. So and we also have the CPL, which it shows us the load information, the CPU load information, and the M for the memory. That is total information about the memory consumption. Here is for the total memory. This is yeah, we also have this for the amount of free memory at the time, that is 648.7 megabytes. Then this is for the cache memory. The amount of memory, this buff means amount of memory file system for the metadata. Then the slab means amount of memory used for the kernel. Then there's also swap. It contains the amount of swap space on the disk. Here is for the total amount of swap space. Here are the free swap space. VM means the committed virtual space, and VMLN means the maximum limit of connection. This is just a little example of how to use the atop and the Lsof monitoring tools and Kali Linux operating system.